My dear students, today I am going to discuss some questions in physics. Topic is ABC of Physics 10. The first question is molten iron ferromagnetic? Answer is no. Molten iron, which is the phase of the iron at the high temperatures of the core of the earth, is not ferromagnetic. Second question is, what is anomalous expansion of water? Answer is, if water initially at a temperature above 4 degrees Celsius is cooled, it contracts just like other liquids till the temperature of water reaches 4 degrees Celsius. On further cooling below 4 degrees Celsius, it expands. Unlike unlike other liquids means other liquids don't expand. Instead of contracting. So, the expansion of water when it is cooled below 4 degrees Celsius is known as anomalous expansion of water. Third question is, why are convex mirrors used as rear view mirrors? Answer is, a convex mirror forms an image which is much smaller than the object. As a result, images of a large number of objects coming from behind can be seen in the mirror at the same time. Because of this, a convex mirror has a wider field of view. Not only this, it always produces an erect image with respect to the object, irrespective of the position of the traffic behind. Fourth question is, how is a shooting star or a meteor an example of friction of air? Answer is, shooting stars are actually stone-like objects that enter Earth's atmosphere from space. Since they have a very high velocity, the heat generated due to the friction of air is so large that they begin to glow and usually get evaporated before reaching the surface of the earth. Only very large meteors can reach Earth's surface, and they are known as meteorites. That means very large meteors. Fifth question is, what are additive primaries? Answer is, when red and orange are allowed to mix, we get bright red. Similarly, the combination of yellow and green is bright green, and the combination of blue and violet appears blue violet or blue. So these colors formed as a result of combination additive are called additive primaries or primary colors. So the additive primaries are red, green and blue. Thus red, green and blue on mixing give the white light. Now, sixth question is, what are the ice point and the stream point of water? Answer is, the ice point of water is its freezing point, and the stream point of water is its boiling point. These 2 points are the temperatures at which pure water freezes and boils under a standard pressure. The ice point of water is 0 degrees Celsius, that is equals to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and the stream point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, that is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.